Good morning to all. We are discussing the logarithmic differentiation. Now we can be do the problems of logarithmic differentiation. The concept no need to write down again. What is the concept means? If the problem is in the form of function to the power of function, in such cases we can use logarithmic differentiation. We can use logarithmic differentiation first one. So before going to the logarithmic differentiation, we just recall some formula which is related to the logarithmic. What are the formulas are there? Logarithm formula. The first one is log of a to the power of m for any base. Any base is equal to the power will be coming to the outside m log e. That means if log of x power of 7 means we can be written as 7 into log x. This is the one of the example of this one. And second one, log of a plus b. Log of a plus b for any base is never equal to log a plus log b per base. What is that? In the summation means it cannot be expandable as a derivative. Then when sir it could be expanded? It can be expanded when the product is there. Log AB can be written as log A base E plus log B base E. Plus means plus, not that. When product is there, then will be plus. Then what about the minus? Minus will be coming when it can be divided. Log of A by B is equal to log A base E minus log B base. So this is the one of the problem. Next, fifth one. A to the power of log x base A. That means power function base must be equal, means it is equal to the x. These are the 5 formulas you can be using very well in the logarithmic differentiation. This logarithmic formulas you can be learning in while you teaching in the logarithmic in your fundamental course. Fundamental course, or it is in a 10th class. I didn't know that it is not in first year, but it is in a 10th class or 9th class. Otherwise, in foundation course, we will be discussing these 5 formulas. The first one is very most. Log of a power of m is equal to m log a, and log of a b is equal to log a plus log b, and log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. But log of a plus b never equal to log a plus log b. You cannot be taken that as plus, means it cannot be expandable. While product is there, this formula can be applicable for finite number of the functions. That means log of ABC given. It can be written as log A plus log B plus log C, like that. C, D, how many functions also you can take? It can be expandable for that all functions. These are the 4 formulas which can be using while going to the do the derivatives of logarithmic differentiation. Okay. Now we are going to discuss in the problems which is related to this one. First one, type 1. What is the type 1? Function to the power of function model. Type 1 is function to the power of function model. You can be good. That means if you given the problem is differentiate sin x to the power of cos x. Differentiate sin x to the power of cos x. This is the one of the problem which is related to the function to the power of function. Here the first function is sin x and second function is cos x. Generally every problem you can take that one, it is a y. Let y is equal to sin x to the power of cos x, you can take it. So function to the power function means what is that? In previous class we discussed taking logarithmic on both sides. Take the log on both sides. What will happen? Log y is equal to log of sin x to the power of cos x. Log y is equal to log of sin x to the power of cos x. Just in the previous first formula, log of x power of m is m log x. That means log y is equal to, it will be coming to the front, cos x into log of sin x. Now go for the differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. So what happened, it is dy dx of means directly I can written 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, then it is u, again it is v, cos x into derivative of dy by dx of log of sin x plus log of sin x into dy by dx of cos x. So what happened, it is dy by dx is equal to y into bracket open cos x into log of sin x means it is a chain rule. The first function is log and second function is sin. Derivative of log is 1 by x, that means 1 by sin x. Again sin x derivative is cos x plus log of sin x into cos x derivative is minus sin x. So finally you can get in the answer. Y means you substitution, it is sin x to the power of cos x into cos x by sin x or cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log of sin x. This is the way to you can find the, if the problem is given to the function to the power of function method. Okay, this is the first type of the trust. While if the problem is in the form of first function to the power of function, then you can go to the this method. See, now we are going to discuss the another problem which is related to this one. Next one, the problem is differentiate E differentiate sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x. It is also in the same method, function to the power of function. It is in the down function is sin inverse x and up function is root over 1 minus x square. Solution, let y is equal to sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square. Same process you can apply that, or take logarithmic on both sides, or apply the logarithmic on both sides. Then what will happen, log y is equal to log of sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square. So then it can be written as log y is equal to root over 1 minus x square into log of sin inverse of x. Root over 1 minus x square into log of sin inverse of x. Now go for the differentiate with respect to x. Then it is become u and it is v. The derivative of log y is 1 by y into y derivative is dy by dx. U into 1 minus x square into dy by dx of log of sin inverse of x into plus log of sin inverse of x into dy by dx of root over 1 minus x square. So finally you can get it, dy by dx is equal to y come to this side, y into root over 1 minus x square into, first of all log function 1 by sin inverse of x, again derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus log of sin inverse of x into derivative of this is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square, again root of 1 is 0 minus 2x. So finally what happened, it is 2 cancel, again this is cancel. So y means sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square into, if this is a cancel means, so 1 by sin inverse x is never equal to cosec inverse x. This is the only. So don't changing anything. It will keep like this only. 1 by sin inverse of x minus x into log of sin inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square. This is the answer of this one. So this is the first way, type 1, when the problem is in the form of function to the power of function. Okay. In some ways, in some textbooks and some different sources, it can be explaining in another method also. Without taking the log, they can be applying e to the power of something. That also I will be explaining now. Again, for this formula, there is a directive formula for this one. What is the formula for this one is, if the formula d by dx of f of x to the power of g of x is there, means the derivative of this one is, first of all, what the question is given, you write on that. After that was, it is g of x by f of x right now. What you did, first of all, write on the function. After that, g of x by f of x. Again, derivative of this one, f dash of x. Again, denominator only, that log of f of x into derivative of g of x, g dash of x. This is the form means where you can be, but while you give it to the 1 mark question, you can be do the directly like this. You can apply for this one. For this problem only, you see, I need d by dx of sin inverse of x whole to the power of 1 minus x square. That only I said. What is that? First of all, question write on sin inverse of x whole to the power root over 1 minus x square into root over 1 minus x square by sin inverse of x. Again, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square, plus apply the log to the sin inverse x in the denominator, and derivative of numerator 2 root over 1 minus x square into minus 2x. So whatever it is cancelled. So finally you can get it sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square into, this is 1 by sin inverse of x, here 2 to cancel this, minus x into log of sin inverse of x by root over 1 minus x. See, same answer which will come here. You can be apply this formula for directly while it is given to the competitive examination or 1 mark question. If it is given to the 1 mark question, you can be apply this formula. What is the formula for that was? Just remember that was, if the problem is in the form of function to the power of function model, f of x to the power of g of x model is given, then first of all write on the question what is given, f of x to the power of g of x. Again, inside there is f of x by g of x, sorry, g of x by f of x into f of x derivative. Again, log apply to the f of x and g of x derivative. Okay. This is the formula you can using for competitive examination purpose, but don't use directly in problem because it is a 4 marks question or 3 marks question in CBSE and CHSE. Don't apply this formula. While it is given to the 1 mark question, in such cases you can be apply this formula first. See, again another one problem I can be explaining using the formula. Say, I can write that log x to the power of tan x. I can write on the directly answer. Just see, I need the value of d by dx of log x to the power of tan x. How can you do? First, write on the question. Log x to the power of tan x. Again, tan x by log x. Again, log x in the denominator only you need to do. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Plus apply the log to the denominator, log of log x. Again, numerator formula, that is secant square x. This is the answer. Directly you can be write on this. You can take any problem also, you can be do this method only. If it is given, see, another problem is related to the x to the power of sin x. Okay, go for it. D by dx of x to the power of sin x. what you need to do? First write out the question. What is given? X to the power of sin x. After that was sin x by x. Again the derivative of x is 1. Plus apply the derivative of denominator. Again this is sin x derivative, that is cos x. So what is the formula is f of x to the power of g of x into g of x by f of x with multiply with the derivative of f of x. Again apply the log f of x. Again denominator there. Okay, what is that? See, again another example I am saying, that was x power of sin x. Means first write on the question x power of sin x. After that sin x by x, this x derivative is this x log apply. Again this is the derivative of this one. Okay, you can take any one of the question. How many questions? D by dx of, if suppose it is given what is that? You write on any question 2 power of x to the power of sin x. How can you do? Otherwise sin x to the power of 2 power of x can sin x to the power of 2 power of x. So how can you do that? First of all, question write sin x to the power of 2 power of x. Again 2 power of x by sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Plus apply the log to the denominator sin x. Again this is the derivative, that means 2 power of x into log. This is the answer. This is the first method. There is another one method also. Without applying the log, we can be simplify this one. But then you need to write down the formula a to the power of sin theta. Means what is that? See, this is the question is there. Solution write down that. Another one, second method is, it is also another one method is there. What is that? First of all, y is equal to sin inverse x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square. Okay. This is the question is given. I know that was different one is a to the power of log x base a is equal to x. In same concept, I am applying e to the power of log of sin inverse x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square at base e. Okay, see this base is cancelled. So finally you getting this one. Like that they are written that. A to the power of log x base 6. Here a now I am written is e. E to the power of e base 6. Okay. Here base power must be equal, means both cancel. It will be only common. That can be written. Now it is in a composite function. The first function is e power of x. Means what happened? Now you are going to differentiation with respect to x. That is dy by dx is equal to, first is e power of x model. Derivative of e power of x is e power of x into sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square into d by dx of log of sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square. Okay. So this is can be cancelled. Again it will be that was sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square into this, whatever it is, d by dx of another formula log a to the power means root over 1 minus x square into log of sin inverse of x. This way also somebody is doing that. The same process as what you did in before. Okay, what is that? It can be second method. What is that? It can be taken without taking the log. They can apply this formula e to the power of log a base 1. So it is first function is e power of x, second one is log x, that you can be applied this one. Now going to the derivative, what happened? Sin inverse of x into root over 1 minus x square. Again uv root over 1 minus x square into, that is 1 by sin inverse of x into derivative of sin inverse x is 1 minus x square plus log of sin inverse of x into the derivative, this is 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into minus 2x. This 2 cancel. So finally you are getting sin inverse of x whole to the power of root over 1 minus x square into this is cancelled. 1 by sin inverse of x minus x into log of sin inverse of x by root over 1 minus x. In this case you didn't using any log on both sides. Both side log apply for it. Without using of the log you can be delete. This is also one of the method is there. Sometime in CBSE or RD Summer textbook also given this method is also. But here it is complicated. Why means taking EE? But the very easiest method is the before method. Directly apply the log to the both side and common it and derivatives can be getting. If any doubt is missed, I just said that was that one mark question formula. You just verify the using of that formula or the answer is coming right or wrong. Okay. Now type 2. Type second one. Type 2 model. So what is the type 2 model means? It is the summation of the functions of the function to the power function method. Function to the power function, but it is the summation method. What is the question is? If when the question is cos x to the power of x plus x to the power of cos x. Cos x to the power of x plus x to the power of cos x. This is the question is given. This is the answer top function, sir. Then how can you solve it? See the solution. Cos x let y is equal to cos x to the power of x plus x to the power of cos x. Okay, you cannot be apply the log directly because and before only say that was if you apply the log, what will happen? See, take log on both sides. If I am directly applying the log, means log y is equal to log of cos x to the power of x plus x to the power of cos x. Just starting only I said that as log a plus log b is never equal to log of a plus b. So you cannot be expanded log applying to the both functions directly. So this method fails. Directly you cannot be apply the log. So that's why this is the very important method is there. The most of the students what they are doing means they can be applying the log directly. If you apply the log directly, if they after applying the log, they can be written log of cos of x plus log of x to the power of cos x. Completely wrong. You cannot be apply the log because log of a plus b is never equal to log a plus log b. Log of a plus b is never equal to log a plus log b. So you cannot be apply the log. Then how can you say, sir? For this type of problem, first of all consider u is equal to cos x to the power of x, v is equal to x to the power of cos x. Otherwise you take any two other forms. Then y, how can you change? Y is equal to u plus v. Now dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the equation 1. Now take individual functions and apply the log. Cos x to the power of x. Now you can be apply the log to this function easily. Why means it is in only one function. There is no any summation of the function or subtraction of the function. Single function. Here you can be using the arm. Take log on both sides. Both sides apply the log. Then what happened? It is log u is equal to log of cos x to the power of x. So log u is equal to x into log of cos x. Go for the differentiation with respect to x. Finally, what you get? 1 by u du by dx. Because there is a y, so 1 by y dy by dx. Here u 1 by u du by dx is equal to x into derivative of log of cos x. 1 by cos x into derivative of cos x is minus nx because chain rule plus log of cos x into derivative of x is equal to 1. So du by dx is equal to u into minus x into tan x plus log of cos x. Substitution the value of u. U value what is that? Cos x to the power of x into log of cos x minus x into tan x. This is the first part. Is over. Similarly, you can take for the second part. V is equal to x to the power of cos x. Again apply the take log on both sides. log v is equal to log of x to the power of cos x. So log v is equal to cos x into log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log v is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, this is u, this is v. So cos x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So you getting the dv by dx is equal to v into cos x by x minus sin x into log x. So v value is this one, x power of cos x into cos x by x minus sin x into log x. Here du by dx you getting, here dv by dx you getting by 1. Finally by 1 substitute that dy by dx is equal to du by dx value what is that, cos x to the power of x into log cos x minus x into tan x plus x to the power of cos x into cos x by x minus sin x into log x. This is the very most important long answer question. You cannot be apply the log to the directly when the problem is given to the summation function. Summation problems are given to the function to the power function, but it is given a summation or subtraction method. You cannot be apply the log directly. In such cases, you consider that the summation functions as a u, v or any other also. If 3 given means u, v, w, and then finally you can be derivative and finally substitute. What you did, just clarify that it is given function to the power function model, again function to the power function model. But here you cannot be apply the log directly because this is the summation function. Log of a plus b is never equal to log a plus log b. So first of all, consider a first function as a u and second function as a v, and then y is equal to u plus v. Here you can derivative dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx according to the algebra of the differentiation. Now u is equal to this one, take log and apply and find du by dx, and v find the dv by dx, and finally substitution in the equation 1 you can get the answer. Very most important long answer question. This is the type 2 method. And in type 2 you can do that another one problem, very important one. X to the power of e whole to the power of e power of x plus e power of x whole to the power of x to the power of e. This is also one of the very most important question in all examinations. Okay, solution C. First of all, what you need that, let y is equal to x to the power of e whole to the power of e power of x plus e power of x whole to the power of x power of e. You cannot be, I just only first one I said that was, you cannot be apply the log directly. What you need to do, consider u is equal to x power of e whole to the power of e power of x, v is equal to e power of x whole to the power of x power of e. Okay, then y is equal to u plus v, which implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the equation 1. Now u is equal to x power of e whole to the power of e power of x. Take log on both sides. So log u is equal to log of x power of e whole to the power of e power of x. So log u is equal to, it will become to the power of e power of x into log of x power of e. Okay, so it is log u is equal to e power of x into, it is a power means coming to the outside, e power of log x, because log of a power of m is m log n. So log u is equal to e power of x plus 1 into log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. 1 by u du by dx is equal to uv formula. E power of x plus 1 into derivative of log x is 1 by x, and log x into derivative is e power of x plus 1. So du by dx is equal to u into e power of x plus 1 is common from both terms, 1 by x plus log x, and substitution the u value x power of e whole to the power of e power of x into e power of x plus 1 into 1 by x plus log x. This is the du by dx value. And similarly, go for v is equal to e power of x whole to the power of x power of. Take log on both sides. So log v is equal to log of e power of x whole to the power of x power of e. So log v is equal to x power of e into log of e power of x. So log v is equal to x power of e into, it comes to the means x into log e value 1. So log v is equal to x power of e plus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. 1 by v dv by dx is equal to x power of n into x to the power of n minus, both are cancelled. So dv by dx is equal to v into e plus 1 into x power of e. V value, what is the v value is e power of x whole to the power of x power of e into e plus 1 into x power of e. This is the dv by dx. So finally what you need to substitution by equation 1 dy by dx is equal to, first du by dx value x power of e into e power of x into e power of x plus 1 into 1 by x plus log x. It is the first term derivative, and second derivative is e power of x into x to the power of e into x to the power of e into e plus 1. This is the answer. Very most important log answer question also that. So today you are going to be discussing in the two methods of differentiation. The first one is single function, second one is summation or subtraction of the two or more functions. In the first method you can be apply the log directly, but for the second method you cannot be take the log directly, because we know that log of a plus b is never equal to log a plus log b. In these cases you consider the one of the function is given as an individual name like a u, v, w, like, and indirectly by using of the differentiation of algebra of the differentiation after that was means dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now individually you can be find it and finally substitution it. Very most important questions are there, and very most important concept is also there. So learn this one too. Okay.